This is Dr. Thomas from Tips of a Psychiatrist. So today I want to introduce one of my favorite quotes. It's that our greatest weakness is actually our greatest strength once we control it. And the idea is that we never really see our strengths. If you think about things the opposite way, and this is a cool principle of DBT, is that we can then harness this exactly. We basically take something that is so against us in feeling, and we just flip it around. Say if you suffer with ADHD, can you see it as a superpower? Can you say, well, I have more energy. I have more ability actually to sustain and do things and follow through with them than basically anyone else on the planet? Because seriously, you just might. And if you have anxiety, can you see it as, but if you really harness your value system and work with a professional to get through that fear, if that's something that actually you can achieve through doing very small, almost micro goals along the way, little by little, you then will be able to find the strength because you were able to get over it. You are now able to find hope in the future to do just about anything. How are there bad times if bad times are always followed by good times? So depression is extremely challenging, and in fact, it can be very dangerous. And that's why, again, work with professionals. But if you get through depression, if you're able to overcome that, it might give you the ability to really see life then as you are free of that encasement of it. And it's off of you now. And life actually is something to grab hold of in the future. You know, that's really what life comes down to. If we can flip things in a certain way to be able to not only know our strength, but eventually to see our strength and then use that as really our greatest asset going forward. Once again, I'm Dr. Thomas. This is Tips from a Psychiatrist.